We are diving into our income stream for books. This is mostly for books published on Amazon KDP, that stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. This is where you can upload notebooks, journals, planners. You can even turn your content into a book, and I'll be teaching more about that because I'll be doing it myself. And as you guys know, my channel is dedicated to documenting the journey, building skill sets to be monetized. So thanks for being here. Let's dive into how June of 2023 was for us. I honestly wasn't sure that I was going to cross over the $4,000 mark, so I'm grateful that we're here doing it. You can see that when the price increased on the 20th, that the royalties hit me really hard. So I knew that that was going to happen, but I didn't prepare myself emotionally for like the boom, 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 like the low days, because these days would have actually been bigger than these days if the royalties wouldn't have changed. And I really feel like my books are priced appropriately. I sometimes get reviews that people think that they're more expensive, and I get reviews where people are like, I love this. This is totally worth what it is. So it's hard to know. I'm still learning, even though I've been doing this for, this is my second year. We're at a year and a half. I've published 470 books. I am thinking about trying to get that number to 500 for 2023, just to enter 2024 with a even number. So this thing started to take a turn with my ad spend because I have to pay for more printing and shipping, right? So comparing this to a year ago, though, it's double, right? Like not, 24, 40, we're doing really good, right? Like this is more than double. So I really am so grateful for that. And as I mentioned, the ad spend kind of changed for me here. $2,200 in ad spend, not really that comfortable with this number. I tried to monitor and watch it. My ACOS is now at 28%. Overall, my whole account was still at 15, but 28 is just, I'm creeping up to less profitability, and I don't like that. Because in my mind, I'm thinking, well, if I'm going to spend $2,200 on ads, I want to have more revenue. So part of me is thinking, and maybe you guys can tell me, I would actually really like your opinion on this. Like if I'm going to spend $2,000 for ad spend in my business, I'd like to make more money. So I'm kind of wondering if I should pull back my ad spend on books and go with a more organic approach for books and start doing more ad spend for my courses and my coaching on Facebook ads. But before I do that, I'm going to optimize these because I know that I have previously made the campaigns more profitable. So I need to make sure that I am relentlessly documenting what I am doing to increase the ACOS, because I already know the books are selling. So it's just a matter of optimization. So after taking my royalties, subtracting the actual ad spend, I'm only making $1,700 from this income stream for this month. I would like this to be way higher. So I've got a lot to think about. And honestly, I have created over 20 winning strategies. But a big part of that is like, I want these to be very profitable. So the strategies work, but I want to get the maximum amount. So I'm going to be in my ads account this month, really digging into what are the new strategies. And I've been thinking about, because this is just the American market. Okay. And that's really what I've been focused on. When I started running ads last January, I turned them on in every country and it was just really overwhelming. But I need to take just the top books and put those into other markets and not try to turn on ads for everything. So this is kind of a rundown of where we're at, and this is still way better than last year. But my spend is about double this month. If you've watched previous videos, you've seen that I spend around $30 to $34 a day for ads, and I'm usually making like 150, 180. Usually when I'm spending 64, I'm making like 2 or 300. So I want to get this down. I need to figure out how to get it down. And I'm not going to stop until I figure it out, because you guys know that I am kind of persistent and relentless when it comes to that, because that's essentially what has built. If you see here in the second faded thing on the left, there's over 23 lessons in the playbook. There's 23 plays that I've come up with that work for me. And I'll be adding more to this now because it's about further optimization. These have got me that far. I've sold over 6 figures in 17 months on Amazon KDP, just like the selling of Amazon books for the ads account. That doesn't include like organic sales. So I'm really going to work this month to figure it out, to create more content inside this course, the Ad Momentum Playbook, so people that are having the same troubles can find ways to optimize. And sometimes it's just conversations of like, let's not turn on too many ads at one time. Right? Like I have, maybe it's in another video, like over 260 campaigns I've turned on for Amazon ads. So there's definitely a lot of growth here in terms of like learning and what to do better. If you don't have access to this, this is available through jennyhansenlane.com/bids. And it should take you to a sales page. And my birthday is coming up. So some people have asked me about having a coupon code for this for my birthday. So if that's something that you might be interested in, let me know. This is lifetime access. It is a done, you do it yourself. You go through the trainings and then you apply what you learned. We have a beta group of a community of people that have bought this, that we're testing out to see if we need to launch an ads community for this course. But the goal for this month is to get the spend down and get the ACoS down and increase the profits here. And I'm still, just for the record, I'm really grateful that I'm growing for this income stream. But now that we know that there's different types of income streams that we can grow, it's really about like, where do we spend our time? And that's why I like using ads, because it accelerates sales and that collapse time. So let me know what questions you have about running ads. I am working on like a very informal kind of tutorial to help people kind of get over their initial hesitancies of turning on ads. And I'm also working on an over-the-shoulder training that you guys will be invited to, and I'll be sharing that in a couple days. So if you want access to the over-shoulder training that's going to be live, I'll have more information, but you can let me know in the comments over the shoulder and I will drop a link when it goes live. Hope you guys are well. Thank you for being here. Thank you for cheering me on. Thank you for just actually being a part of the journey. Here's a video that YouTube recommends, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. Peace out.